Alright, we're currently on day 4 of our trip down the Amazon River. Behind me is an extension of the Amazon River. Alright, what's your thoughts on the boat?
This is awesome. Look, this boat.
Korean?
That's a cruiser for the river.
What are you thinking, Danny?
It's a big boat.
Okay, thanks. You're about to tell your for my guy.
As you can see, it's very windy tonight. We have a big storm, lots of rain.
Yeah.
Javi, you getting it?
Yeah, I try. We tried to fix it. Our set it up because last night was horrible. We was like in the water. That is the description. And today we tried to fix it. This problem.
No more rain.
No more rain inside. In our hammocks.
Yes.
Then we tried to fix that.
So we had to tighten everybody up. We fixed up the tarp. Moving a lot of hammocks.
Gotcha. Yep, I think so. Let me try that. Can you do it out? Oh, wow.
Si así voy a salir.
Put all the weight in your butt and then bounce off.
These are our hammocks. We had to tighten them because you see the wind is pushing all the rain. And so now we're much closer. And so hopefully this works much better tonight. Because last night several people got wet. But tonight we don't want to get wet in our sleep. It's going to be a change for the good. Now we're going to eat. We're currently on day 4 of our trip down the Amazon River. Behind me is an extension of the Amazon River. The past 3-4 days we've spent like teaching and learning, and tomorrow we make a stop at our first port so we can start going out into the villages and the tribes and cities, evangelizing. Now, let's go check out this boat. Alright, so we are going to give you a tour of our boat. The boat is 4 floors. We're starting up on the top floor. Right here we have some tents. Then we have the upper hammock village. Right here what you can see is this is where our team has been sleeping. This is Javi's. Here's my hammock. On the far side we have tents. This is where we've been sleeping for the past 4 days and will for the next week. We have a rare sighting. We have Pastor David here steering our boat. Our pastor leader is actually leading us through the waters. How's steering the ship?
It is absolutely awesome.
Having fun?
Yes, I am. But I've actually got to get it on the other side of that barge.
Alright, we're gonna go down to the next. Right here is the kind of like middle floor, the third. This is over here where we've been having our services. You'll see a lot of that throughout the video. The nice thing is we get this lovely view, while we also get a lot of good training and sessions over here. Alright, we got to give a quick bathroom tour. On this trip, this is our bathroom situation. You got your all-in-one bathroom and shower. This area is for the dining area. We have our tables. Over here is shop number 1. You have all the goods, snacks, all the good treats. Over there is your kitchen. They're working hard to make out dinners, and they taste good. Right, over here we have more hammocks. This is where a lot of the guys have been sleeping this week. Lots of people, lots of space. On the other side of this tarp here is where all the girls are with their hammocks. Not going over there. Here we have shop number 2. If we finish this up, we have the front area where it seems to be the hot spot hangout. Alright, so like I said, tomorrow we will be at our first stop, and so you'll see that in the next video. Cool.
Estás rompiendo el frasco, Señor. Señor, y atravese tu pueblo. Aleluya. Gloria al Señor.
Ahora rugen, iglesia. Rugen. Rugen. Rugen.
Está muy bien. Aquí hay pasos prácticos.